Hi, Tita, Tito. Hello. I'm crying because I wee-weed a lot, so I have to drink more milk. Isn't that right? You love your milk, don't you? Am I doing a good job as a mother? Kasi ewan ko, kasi I think pinipressure ko kasi yung sarili ko, guys, na, you know, I can do this for Paris, I can do this for Celine, but siguro nakakalimutan ko na isa lang yung katawan ko. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome back
To our channel.
to our channel. May napapansin ba kayo sa mukha ng ating baby girl? Nakakita siya ng lipstick. At nag-lipstick siya. Be, pakita, be, tita, na lipstick. Siya lang talaga dyan, guys, ba?
I just want to cut
Pero tingnan nyo, umabot sa kanyang dress. Umabot sa kanyang dress.
Like me.
Yeah, be careful, okay? So, good afternoon sa ating lahat. Mga mamamayang Pilipino.
Can we cut?
Yeah, just be careful, okay? Ayan, pasensya na, guys. Hindi pa tayo nakapag... uy, nakadlo ko sa likod. Hindi pa ako nakapaghilamos talaga, guys. Ng... ang tawag nito? Ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi kumain muna ako. Gutom kasi ako, guys. Ayan. Kumain ako ng niluto ni Daddy Micah gabi. Careful, Daddy. You might spray on this one. Ayan. Yung, ang tawag ito, yung
Then what are you doing, guys?
pasta na may tuna. Ayan. Ang ating baby girl ay nandito. Kasi kakatapos lang niyang mag-dede. And, uy, ang tilim. Ayan. Kakatapos lang niyang mag-dede, guys. Kaya, tulog na tulog.
Yeah, you can see the God, I'm the strongest girl.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Hinihintay kasi namin yung bakit ang dilim-dilim? Hinihintay namin yung
Yeah, please show me.
midwife ulit kasi second na home visit ni baby girl natin today. So, i-recheck may mga improvements, yung mga ganun sa weight and everything. And I think naman, guys, positive na yung weight niya kasi sobrang lakas na ng ating milk and love na love niya yung milk, guys. Sabi, dede pa more. Nalaman-lamanan na siya konti, guys. So she is, what's the date today? 19?
Yeah.
5 days old. 5 days old ng ating baby girl. Ayan, so nagpipil ng kanyang skin. Ganyan na. Stop it, mommy. Go away. Ayan. So, anak, careful with that one, ha?
Okay.
Ma-okay ka karon.
How's that pasta?
Yeah, good.
Really?
Very good. Tapusin ko muna ito. Ay, Daddy.
Hello. So, it's
Tapos,
nice, yeah?
yun yung ang tawag dito. Sinegregate ni Daddy kagabi. Sobrang tagal niyang natulog, guys. Yung mga labahin namin ba? Kami nasa kwarto na. Siya nandito pa siya sa labas. Parang inano niya yung para kay Paris, para Celine, sa aming dalawa. Ganun, para dadalhin namin doon sa laundry kasi hindi na siya magkasya dito. Tignan niyo, may mga hinay-hay pa dyan, Yeah.
Yeah, 1 big one, 2. Yeah.
Nakatanggap kami ng text, guys, galing sa midwife na she's running late. Sobrang maganda yung araw sa labas. Yung sabi ng daday niya,
Go inside.
shit.
Go inside now.
No.
Magpapaaral na lang muna sila sa labas.
I'm scared. I'm a little bit. I'm scared.
What's going on, princess?
Mommy?
Yes, Nak. What is it, Bobby?
Dad's gonna do our house.
Daddy's gonna do our house. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We'll check the bambambi. We'll check the bambambi. Did you wee wee? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Did you wee wee? Ito pala mo sa mama. Hi, tita, tito. Hello. I'm crying because I wee-weed a lot, so I have to drink more milk. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Wee-hee. Woo-woo-woo-woo. Have a look. Have a look, tita, tito. Hello, tita, tito. Hello, hello. Look. Hello, everyone. I just woke up. And I want my Didi. You love your milk, don't you? Oh, you love your milk, my love. I don't blame you. Other bears loved it too. Other bears loved it too. Padidihin muna natin to, guys. So, yan, guys. Oh, nakadede na. Happy na siya. Padidihin ko muna habang naghihintay kami sa midwife. Kasi, pagdating ng midwife, i-ano na naman to siya. Parang i-weigh just to check na she's getting nutrients, ganun. Gain siya ng weight. And, yeah. Sobrang, dami niyang naihi ba? Not, no? Oh, she loves it, guys, very much. I'm very happy kasi alam niyo yung feeling ng nanay na parang naibibigay mo yung sa anak mo. Anak? Oh. Oh. And 2 days ago, di ba, nandito yung isang midwife. So, ibang midwife yung pupunta dito today. We were talking about postpartum depression, yung ganun. And, yeah, it's good that they're very open about it, you know, like they ask you how you're feeling, how's your mental health. Kasi, knock slowly, anak. Slow down, the road is under construction. Ano naman siyang ilugan, ay? So, yeah, so she asked me about all those things. And I shared sa kanya na hindi naman yung about mental health, no, but the other night, I was crying to Daddy Mike. Kasi, not crying because I was sad. Umiyak ako ng umiyak kasi parang alam niyo yung adjustment period na, you know, I'm used to like having just Paris, tapos ngayon dalawa na, and then, you know, I'm looking after baby Celine, and then at the same time sa background Paris is like, oh mommy, do this, we do that, we read book, or yung mga bagay na we used to do together. And then, medyo, kasi we can't avoid the fact talaga na parang naanuhan yung time ko kay baby Paris, right? Kasi, obviously, dalawa na sila, so, mahahati. So, hindi ako umiyak kasi I was sad. Umiyak ako kasi sinabi ko kay Daddy Mike, am I doing enough? Tinanong ko si Daddy Mike kung am I doing a good job as a mother? Kasi, ewan ko, kasi I think, pinipressure ko kasi yung sarili ko, guys, na you know, I can do this for Paris, I can do this for Celine, but siguro nakakalimutan ko na isa lang yung katawan ko. And yeah, I think the only thing that I need to do is just to adjust and parang time management, ganun, and make sure na both of them, you know, gets my attention. And but yeah, you know, Daddy Mike is a great support. Like, seriously, he's the greatest. Sinabi niya sa akin na, you know, you're doing more than enough. We're so thankful for you. You're doing a great job. And, you know, and he said, you know, I love you very much. We love you very much. And, you know, just hearing those things, parang, it makes me feel better. Like, you know, parang nakakarinig ka ng feedback na ganun. So, yeah, sinabi ko sa midwife na, no, I don't think, yeah, I have issues with that. Thanks God. Kasi sabi niya na, you know, when there's time na parang you don't feel in love with your kid, or parang bugnutin ka, madali kang magalit, madali kang magtampo, iiyak ka na lang. Yung mga bagay na ganun. Na, yun nga, parang walang pagmamahal na nararamdaman para sa anak. Kaya that could be a sign of, like, postnatal depression, postpartum. Ano ba yun, guys? I know, I read a lot about it. Yun sa social media, sa Facebook, yung mga ganun. And it's not, you know, it's not a joke at all. Totoong-totoo talaga yung ganun, guys. Kaya, you know, as a mom, I think we have to be very careful at, yeah, make sure na naaalagaan din natin yung sarili natin. Kasi, naku, mahirap na pag ang nanay na yung nagkasakit. Ay, yun nga sabi nila, bawal magkasakit talaga ang nanay. Kasi, paano na lang ang mga anak? Anak, no. At the moment, I'm just enjoying it, guys. Like, very happy with my current situation. Sobrang grateful. At ito ay nakatulog na naman, ano? Ha? Ito talaga ito siya, guys, no? Ano na ito ating didi? Parang tuba. Na? Bahal na? Ha? Mahubog pandayo na. Kadali ba? Kadali ba mahubog? Nga na, natulog na, guys, oh. Buhay ng bata nga naman, no? Kain, udo, tulog. Kain, wiwi, udo, tulog. Hi, honey. Tita Midwife will be here soon, my love. Tita Midwife will be here soon. Other than that, guys, it's been cruisy with our baby Celine. She has been an amazing little girl, a legend. Tingnan nyo. Hello? Say hello, tita and tito. Finally, I can join my mama's vlog and my daddy and my Ate Paris's vlog. What? Remember this onesie? Super cute, diba? No? Easy. Binili sa ukay-ukay. Sa ukay-ukay. Yung mag-ama ay nandyan sa harapan lang, oh. Naglalaro ng bola. Bola-bola. Tingnan niyo sila, oh. Rahugawas sa among bintana, eh. Paris siyang, oh, happy talaga yan siya kapag makalabas. Daddy and Ate Paris is playing up. Do you wanna join them na? Do you wanna join them or no? They're having fun. Ito, tulog-tulog nga naman.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo guys. It is 3:15 ng hapon.
Really?
And yes, we will go for a walk. First walk ng ating baby Celine. Outside. Tanggong may sulod sa balay. Ayan. Nakatulog siya kasi pinatete. So she's very comfortable there. We're just gonna go for a walk. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. Tingnan niyo guys. Ano na kami, convoy. Tutulog na tulog. Oh. Ang ganda ng araw ba? Took advantage na maglakad ngayon kasi bukas at sa makalawa ay uulan na naman. So at least ngayon is very sunny. Hinga ng fresh air ang ating baby girls. Lalo na ito kasi hindi pa nakalabas.
Very quickly.
Ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog ba? Pauwi na kami, sabi niya pag-agising niya. Are we at the shops yet? She wants to see baby Celine.
Yeah, she's smiling to her Auntie Paris. She loves you.
Yeah, she said, hi Auntie Paris.
I love you.
Anak.
Barbie food.
Some what?
Barbie food.
Barbie food. Kahit may araw mag-inaw ba? Pero ito, nakalimutan ng kanyang blanket. Did you have a nap? In the pram? So ang aking jacket ay ginamit niyang blanket. Si mami ay nindog ng bungot. Nindog. Ang bulbul sa iyang inahan. Bahala na lang. Huh? It's to you.
Yeah.
Just got home guys. May bulaklak. Huh? Oh, thank you.
Huh?
Do you just have a baby? Okay.
It's for me, but
Lumabas ang aking ihi. Lumabas ang aking ihi. Kala ko sa akin na bulaklak eh. Nak. What is that, Nak? What is that? Hello, Papa. Someone sent Daddy flower, Nak.
Mama's jealous.
No, just made me laugh. Ayokong tumawagas kasi parang naano yung chan ko, hindi pa ready.
Where's my Barbie cake?
Okay, let's go. Congratulations on Celine joining the family. We're sending our love. Patria, Michael, Herbie, and Cecil. Beautiful. That's lovely. Thank you, Michael, Patria, Herbie, and Cecil. Thank you very much for the flowers. Beautiful, beautiful flowers.
Come on, we're going to set up.
So sweet naman, eh?
Watch out for daddy. Watch out for mommy's
Ano
jacket.
pala yun, guys? Friend ni Daddy.
Yeah.
Ang kanyang mga friendship. Then you guys, nindog kita akong balibo, guys, pa. Lahat gagawin para sa anak. Kaya ang anak, tugnaw na itong paglubot. Anak, gikurikong kanak. She was itching.
I want to see my Barbie cake.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna inside. Can you hold the door open for us? Hold it. Yes!
Strong girl. This one. Ay, sus! Tignan nyo guys, hindi niya talaga ako iniwan, no? She wants to put the open for me. Come here. Anna.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, we're coming, honey. There you go.
Bonbon.
Dito na kami sa loob ng bahay. Naka-on na naman ang ating heater kasi sobrang ginaw. Alam niyo ba to siya guys? Umiyak siya kanina nung naglakad kami. Kailangan namin mag-stop at nagpadidi ako sa kanya habang nakatayo. Standing position kami. Kahit konti lang para hindi siya alboroto. Nak no? Bahala nakita ang mga kuan Dili angay makita, nak. Basta dili maghilak ang baby, ba? Ay, Diyos! Ayan. Tapos, ayun yung bulaklak. Meron palang dito. Ay, ano tawag dito? May dumating na parcel. Nag-shopping pala si Daddy Mike online, guys, para sa kanyang mga prinsesa. So, I'll show you quickly before iiyak si baby Celine, ha? Ayan. Pants. Ito yung nakita na ko, guys, ha? Kat, yes, honey! Tapos, onesie. Ito, sobrang ganda ng kanyang, cloth? Ayan. And then, this one for Ate Pares. Keep her warm. And actually pala kanina, guys. So pumunta dito yung midwife from the hospital. So second and last visit nila for baby Celine. And chinek nila kung ano yung ang tawag dito, yung weight and all. And super happy, guys, kasi everything is well as I expected. So they are actually very happy kasi when Celine was born, siya 2.8 kilograms. And then nung first day or second day namin dito sa bahay, o second day namin dito sa bahay, ang tawag dito, ganyan daw talaga, kailangan di-decrease yung weight ng baby. Pero hindi dapat more than 10%. And kan baby Celine, guys, mga lang niya, siguro mga 2 or 3% lang yung nawala sa kanya. And then this time they were just checking kung nag-gain ba ng weight or whatever. And then you know what? Lumagpas na si baby Celine sa kanyang birth na weight. Kasi diba 2.8 siya. Tapos naging 2.9 something na siya ngayon. O, diba? Thank you. Give the Didi a pat, anak. Ay, George. She's crying, nak. What do you tell her? Huh? What do you tell her, B? It's okay, baby Celine. Maybe you can sing for her. Come on, so she won't cry. Come on, she cries. Ay, anak, wala ka ganay sa ko, anak. Kanta ni ate?
A few moments later.
Feel niya. Is that your snack, baby Celine? Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 9:20 ng gabi. Kaya nandito na tayo sa bedroom kasi... Hi, honey.
Hi.
Ayan, niliguan ng kanyang daddy. Kasi naka-udo. Kalibang ka na.
Bum bum.
Kalibang
Do I
ikaw.
see my bum bum?
Can see your bum. Ayan.
No.
Tapos, ang isa ay nandito. Ayan, no? Ayan.
Wow.
Very comfortable siya. So, kanina pa yan siya nakatulog. But, gigisingin ko na yan siya very soon. Kasi,
Okay,
parang puputok na yung vulkan. What is it?
Okay, I want to get back to our channel.
Okay, you say it.
Hi, hey, hello.
We're closing na. Welcome back to our channel. So, parang puputok na ang vulkan ni Mami dito, guys. Kailangan na talaga niyang magdede. Ayan. Gigising na yan siya very soon. Oh, Josh! Ayan. But, yeah. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. As always, thank you very much sa oras na ginugugol nyo talaga para mapanood yung videos namin. Maraming salamat sa mga magagandang mga words na sinasabi niyo tungkol sa amin. Nakakataba po ng puso, and to be honest po, yan talaga yung nakakapag-motivate sa akin, sa amin na mag-vlog pa, kasi napapasaya nyo kami sa mga comments nyo, sa mga sa pag-like nyo sa aming mga videos. Kaya minsan kahit hectic na yung schedule ni mami nyo, kasi dalawa na itong ating mga bulilit dito, but then we try hard pa rin na ma-share sa inyo yung buhay-buhay namin dito. No? Say thank you very much, Tita and Tito.
Hello.
Uy, say thank you very much, Tita and Tito.
Thank
Wait, here, ba in the camera, see? There. Say thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Hello. Hello.
Anyways, mag-shoutout na tayo, guys, kasi anong oras na? And kita-kits naman tayo bukas. But yeah, just wanna say thank you and shout out to Victor Ryan Bunyil, Mercy Narito, Edita Kulibaw, OFW si Ma'am, Cassie Melendez, Maricar Castaneda, Cherry Gonzalez, Jovian Lagahit, Elizabeth Tolentino, Cecil Regalado, Odessa Donghil, Yoda Sagun, Jonah Reyes, Mirna Kushina, Julie Mendoza, Elizabeth Donila, Rosemary Franco, Irene Aliperio, Juliet Antonio, Juanita Alop, Evelyn Gonzalez Cota, Naida Trufil, Jessica Musni, Arlene Bernardo, Gilbert CJ TV Hay, Leta Rivera, Just Me Cashel, Lucita Javier, Carlota Pedro, Janzi Pinay Australia, and Estrelita Casinilio. Ayan. So, yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget, masok siya, guys. Alam na niya ang kanyang, gagawin na. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like it. Pasensya na wala dito ang ating daddy, guys, kasi naglilinis siya ng kusina. Uy, wala pa ko nung pa. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Bingit-ngit lang, guys, hindi na siya magkita. Tulog ko. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Okay, bye.
you're the one. Okay, I thought Celine will do.
Careful, bye.